The all-new Holden Commodore is not just winning accolades for its European styling, superb handling, and total commitment to safety. In recognition of its quality and excellence in design and manufacture, the Commodore has won the 1993 Australian Design Award, the most respected and sought-after award in the country. The new award-winning Holden Commodore. There's nothing quite like a Holden.
Over the last 50 years, we've learned a lot about little Australians. So when we prepare meals for them, we use only the very best Australian ingredients. It's our way of ensuring that every baby shines on Heinz.
New band? Yeah.
Johnnie and Coke, Chris? Thanks.
How did that happen? I don't know. You can't beat the original. Johnnie Walker Red Label, bottled in Scotland.
Pizza Hut's Bigfoot is now even bigger, with 33% more of the toppings you love. Still just $16.90 for delivery and $14.90 for takeaway.
Box office sensation Richard Gere.
He abducted this woman. He threatened to kill her.
In hot pursuit of Kim Basinger.
I want to know what happened.
He's uncovered more than internal affairs.
They want me to kill somebody.
She's a pretty woman with deadly connections.
You stood there and you just watched, didn't you?
Murder brought them together.
I'll make you a deal.
A madman's revenge will tear them apart. Richard Gere, Kim Basinger.
You belong to me.
No Mercy, 8:30 Monday on NBN.